Hello to everyone, it's Vera Shalimech, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to make a pop-up card with a vase full of beautiful Mintay flowers. I will be crafting with happy place, paper and stickers, but you may use your favorite collection. First, cut some flowers and use the rest of the paper sheet for background. My card is 10 by 15, but you may make it a bit bigger. Two paper stripes 7 and 5 by 15 centimeters, fold in half. Adhere the background paper pieces to the base, 2 pieces inside the base and 1 piece to the cover. Take the paper stripes, fold them in half and score 1 cm from the bottom with a small angle from the center to edges. Take scissors and cut off some paper in the center and from edges, making the gluing tabs. After that, fold the stripe and cut the shape of a vase or other container for flowers. Please note that the gluing tabs should be in the bottom. Do the same with the other stripe. You will need 2 similar shapes. Adhere the right gluing tab of the vase to the base with a small angle to the base centerfold. Match the centerfold of the vase with the base centerfold. Then put glue on the left gluing tab, fold the card and press until the glue dries. Adhere the other detail of the vase with a gap of 1 cm from the first one. Use volume sticky pads to adhere fussy cut flowers to the vase. Decorate the vase with a ribbon. Mintay cardboard stickers are perfect for the cover. Cut a thin stripe of plastic, add it to the vase and adhere a butterfly on top. Your beautiful pop-up flower card is ready.